Want to capture breathtaking aerial shots like a pro? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the right drone with a camera can take your photography and videography to new heights. Today, we're counting down the top 10 drones with cameras on Amazon, from budget-friendly flyers to high-tech 4K beasts. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome technology. At number 1 we have Holystone HS110D drone with 1080p HD camera. You can capture memorable moments with distortion-free and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. The app enables you to expand your creativity further and share it on social media with ease. When you focus on shooting images, you may set your hands off the joystick and the drone still suspended mid-air with locked altitude. A perfect drone for beginners, kids, starters, or newbies to have an easy and stable flight experience. The pilot will feel easier to control, especially when the drone is out of sight, under headless mode while the orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot. The drone are also equipped with 3D flips to make your day. Through the app, multiple functions, voice control, gestures control, trajectory flight and gravity sensor control can be activated. Instruct the camera to take photos by gestures of scissor and videos by paper. At number 2 we have DJI Mini 3 mechanical gimbal drones with camera. Under 249 grams, FAA registration, and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 grams. Fly More Combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. 38 km per hour, level 5, wind-resistant and 3-axis gimbal for stable. With its level 5 wind-resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. At number 3 we have Hasakee Q9C RC Drone with 720p HD FPV Camera. Powerful lighting is a unique feature of the Q9C compared to other drones on the market. All 4 frames of the Q9C quadcopter are equipped with bright LEDs. The special is that it can be changed to your favorite color with one click. In addition, the Q9C comes with 5 different exciting light display modes, so enjoy the light show. Q9C equipped with 90 degrees manual adjustable 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. Features with stunt functions like 3D flips, circle fly, auto rotation, trajectory flight, voice control, gravity control. Open up the gravity sensor mode. You can control the direction of the drone by simply tilting the drone in different directions. Includes 2 upgraded batteries providing up to 20 minutes of flight time. The batteries are easy to charge and replace. It is also equipped with overcharge protection mechanism. Fly longer, charge safer. At number 4 we have Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K ICE camera. Atom SE drone weighs less than 249 grams, no need for FAA and remote ID registration. The fold-up design packs up small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. Built-in brushless motors makes the drone resist level 5 wind and fly stably. Atom SE has a parallel charging hub supporting 60 watts full quick charge for 3 batteries at once in 1.5 hours. The 3 batteries kit provides ample time for exploration. The drone is equipped with a CMOS Sony sensor. It can shoot 12 photos and 4K HD video. The exclusive Shake Vanish tech helps to take more stable and smoother images within 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. Surgefly flight control system provides beginner mode and 3 flight modes, allowing you to challenge your skills as you become an advanced pilot with flexible and easy flight control experience. The PixSync 2.0 technology ensures stable, consistent video in most shooting conditions and enables low latency for HD digital video. The Atom SE GPS drone will safely auto-fly back to the takeoff point when it's lost signal or is in low power. At number 5 we have DJI Air 3 drone with camera 4K with RC-N2 remote controller. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. DJI Air 3 complies with the FAA remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for remote ID, and you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Fly confidently with Air 3's OMNIDIRECTIONALOBSTACLESENSING. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forest. Air 3 captures impressive 48MP images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Record stunning 4K/60fps HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. At number 6 we have NEHEME NH525 Foldable Drones with 1080p HD camera. This drone equipped with 80 degrees adjustable 1080p HD camera, which can record every moment in your life. Meanwhile, with FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. N.H. 525 drone is equipped with 4 propeller guards to protect you from spinning propellers and ensure the drone's propellers from the collision. 2 intelligent batteries for up to 26 minutes ultra-long flight time. Just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. N.H. 525 is a versatile drone, can perform stunts like 360 degrees flip, high-speed rotation and etc. And you can draw a route on the app screen and the hover drone will fly following the path accordingly. At number 7 we have Velcase Drone with 1080p camera. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p HD camera, this drone is capable of capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, recording your life's moments. Use the Velcase VGO app to connect and control the drone, and watch real-time video feed through FPV technology, allowing you to explore distant landscapes. Features: optical flow positioning, barometric altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, 3 speed modes, 1 key takeoff/landing/return/emergency stop, 360 degrees flips, trajectory flight, gesture photo/video, voice control, and low battery warning make it extremely beginner-friendly and suitable for kids. The package includes a portable bag for convenient outdoor travel. Equipped with 2 1050 mAh batteries, enjoy an extended flight time for up to 26 minutes of fun. The 1 key takeoff and altitude hold functions make drone flight easily. The hovering system and optical flow positioning technology ensure a more stable and controllable flight, keeping the drone at a certain height and capturing high-quality photos and videos. The 1 key 360 degrees flip adds more fun. At number 8 we have Holystone Axis Gimbal GPS drones with camera. With Holystone latest remote control system and powerful brushless motors, HS720R, drones with camera for adults 4K, gets a 10,000 feet max transmission range. The upgraded intelligent 2,950 mAh modular battery, supporting 26 minutes of flight, plus the advanced control system ensuring you reliably fly farther and capture more. Holystone HS720R, GPS drones with camera for adults 4K, is equipped with cutting-edge GPS technology, providing precise and reliable positioning for a smooth flying experience. This 4K GPS drone can automatically return once battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Flying the Holystone GPS 4K drone with camera for adults with confidence. The Holystone Affiliate Fly app allows the GPS 4K drone with camera to perform Follow Me, Waypoint Flight and Point of Interest to enhance your flying experience. At number 9 we have Loiley Drone with camera for adults. Loiley drones are perfect for beginners and children, offering features like 1 key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It also provides smart app control, app name, Loiley Fly, allowing users to define flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy various functions like 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and adding music and filters. This small drone is equipped with an HD 1080p camera to capture stunning photos and videos with high quality and frame rate. The camera angle can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. Loiley Drone with camera is your ultimate travel buddy. It's so compact and lightweight that you can literally fold it up and fit it in your pocket or backpack. Weight under 250 grams to save you from FAA registration. With 2 rechargeable drone batteries, this drone extends the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes, providing a worry-free flying experience. At number 10 we have Hiturbo Drone with 1080p camera. A camera mounted on it can be manually adjusted to see what's in front of the drone while it's flying, or it can be aimed down to see what's directly below it. I'm sure you can take some interesting photos and videos, or even use it to inspect the roof of a house or other hard-to-reach areas. Friends can shoot each other skating and capture really cool videos. The FPV drone has 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. 2 batteries can be swapped and charged in rotation, greatly extending the fun time. Note that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. Two batteries provide you with up to 24 minutes of flying experience. Features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, speed adjustment and voice control make it easy and fun for beginners or novices. This drone is a little easier to operate than other drones, it has fewer steps to fly, no manual pairing required, so it's suitable for people just starting out.